What really happens inside your body when you eat Cacio e Pepe? This simple Italian dish, just pasta, cheese, and black pepper, has been loved for centuries. But here's the question nobody asks. Where do those creamy bites actually go? What do they do to your brain, your muscles, your gut? Today, we go inside the human body to find out. The moment you swallow that first bite, the journey begins. The pasta travels down your throat and lands in your stomach. Here, powerful digestive juices start breaking it down. The Pecorino Romano cheese, made from sheep's milk, releases proteins and fats. The pasta releases carbohydrates. Your stomach works hard, mixing everything together for the next stage. Now, the real magic happens. The broken down food enters your small intestine, a 6-meter-long tube lined with millions of tiny fingers called villi. These villi absorb the good stuff: proteins, calcium, healthy fats, and B vitamins. These nutrients pass through the intestinal walls and enter your bloodstream. From here, they travel everywhere. Your blood carries these nutrients to every corner of your body. Calcium reaches your bones, proteins flow to your muscles, fats and B vitamins travel to your brain. In just minutes, one plate of Cacio e Pepe starts feeding your entire system. But what are the actual benefits? First, your brain. Cacio e Pepe contains fats and B vitamins. These support healthy brain cells and help your neurons communicate better. You may feel sharper and more focused. Second, your muscles. The protein from pecorino cheese contains amino acids. These are the building blocks your muscles need to grow and repair. Great news for active people. Third, your gut. The starch from pasta can feed friendly bacteria in your intestines. A healthy gut means better digestion and stronger immunity. Fourth, your energy. Carbohydrates are your body's favorite fuel. Pasta gives you quick energy, perfect when you need a boost. So yes, Cacio e Pepe has real benefits. But there's another side to this story: stomach irritation. Cacio e Pepe is rich and heavy. The high fat content can trigger heartburn or acid reflux, especially if you eat too much or too fast. Dairy sensitivity. Pecorino contains lactose and dairy proteins. If you're lactose intolerant or allergic to dairy, you may experience bloating, cramps, or skin reactions. Blood sugar spikes. White pasta is a high glycemic food. It raises your blood sugar quickly. For people with diabetes or insulin resistance, this can be a concern. Energy crash. After the quick energy boost comes the crash. As your blood sugar drops, you may feel tired, sluggish, or mentally foggy. Balance is key. Enjoy it, but know your limits. So now you know the truth. Cacio e Pepe is more than just comfort food. It is a complex journey through your body, delivering real nutrients, real energy, and real effects. The secret? Portion control. Listen to your body. Pair it with vegetables. Stay active. Food is not just taste. Food is information for your cells. If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. Share it with someone who loves pasta. And next time you eat Cacio e Pepe, you will see it very differently.